In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix a Discord error. A JavaScript error occurred in the main process, so let's get started. So the first thing that we need to make sure is that we need to close any instances of Discord running on our Windows. So for that, make a right click on your taskbar and select Task Manager to open it, maximize it. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, simply click on Details, and that here we need to look for discord.exe. So once you find that, simply make a right click and then select end process tree and click on the end process tree button. Now we are sure that there are no instances of Discord running on our Windows. Also click on the system tray and you can find that there is no Discord from here. Then click on the start button and then you have to search for run. Click on the run button for to open the run window. Here you need to simply type appwiz.cpl. Appwiz.cpl, click on OK. And here we need to look for Discord. So go ahead in the search bar and type Discord. Then we need to make a right click and then select, or just have to simply click on it and you'll find the uninstall button at the top. Click on that. And this will uninstall Discord from our Windows, okay? Now it has been uninstalled. We need to close this. The next is we need to make sure that the group policy is updated. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click on Run as Administrator on the right pane. Now I will leave this command in the description section of this video. So type gpupdate space /force, hit enter. Okay. Now computer policy update has completed successfully. So we just need to simply type exit, hit enter, and then press Windows key and letter R button together. Type %local app data and click on OK. Now we need to look for the Discord folder from here. Okay. Discord, right click, select delete, close this, press Windows key and R together again, type %app data and click on OK. Again, look for Discord, right click, select delete. Then for the next method is we need to install Discord again. So we need to go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Edge. So we are going to click on Microsoft Edge under the best match and maximize it. Here in the search bar, we just need to simply type Discord download, hit enter. And you will find this option from the official website discord.com. Click on that. And simply click this button, download for Windows. And the setup file will be downloaded from here. Once this is downloaded, close the Edge browser and then right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. Once you have restarted your Windows, open Edge again, type Edge, click on Microsoft Edge, maximize it, click on the three dots and then you have to select Downloads and then click on the Open File for the Discord setup. And you just need to wait for Discord to be installed into your Windows. Okay, so currently this is now installing. And once this is installed, then you can have a fresh start with your Discord and the problem will be fixed. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.